You are looking at Julian's pronunciation guide, where we look at how to pronounce better some of the most mispronounced words in the world, like this other curious word. But how do you say what you're looking for today? Let's learn how to pronounce this expression correctly in English. I know it's very confusing, but the pronunciation is actually pretty straightforward once you know. If you want to learn more confusing pronunciations in English, stay tuned. Would've is how it's pronounced in English. Would, just like the wood, of a tree. Would, of, a schwa sound, and then a V sound. Stress on the would syllable. Would've. Alright, let's hear an example of sentence. Had I known it was going to rain today, I would've taken an umbrella to work. Would've. I would have known. I would have. Did you get this? Can you use that pronunciation in the future in English? How to pronounce would have? Let me know in the comments. Here are more videos on how to pronounce more confusing words and names too many mispronounced. Like this video if you found it useful. I appreciate your support. I'll see you soon and thanks for watching.